pulling out cash on a investment property is what investing is all about. So many people get caught in the web of fix and flipping and wholesaling rather than keeping the asset. The wealth is in keeping the asset. Guys, my name is Travis Oglesby. I started investing in 2016. Since then, we have flipped over 400 homes, and my single family portfolio is 19 million. It cash flows a little bit over $30,000 per month. And here on this channel, I'm documenting my way to 50 grand a month in cash flow. And we have a simple, repeatable process. And I look forward to showing you guys how we do it. I don't know a single wealthy wholesaler. I don't know a single wealthy flipper in real estate. But I know a ton of wealthy buy and hold and creative finance people. And I'm gonna show you a deal to make this example stick. All right, guys, let's take a look at this. Before we do, real quick, I have spent about 25 hours creating 8 steps to your first creative finance deal. And so it's called Creative Finance Mastery. And I'm gonna include that here in the description. It's been my highest demand thing. We've sold it for a ton of money over the years, but I think it's something that can really help people who can't pay for the coaching. And so enjoy. All right, guys, let's go over a deal. I'm gonna show you how to buy a house and then refinance it, keep the asset. It's going to put money in your pocket every month through cash flow, and it's going to put a big old chunk in cash up front. This is investing, guys. This is not wholesaling. This is not fix and flipping. This is investing. Let's check this deal out. So this is, you can look these up too. So this is 717 and 715 a Holloway. It is a duplex I think it's in Greenwood, South Carolina. So you can look these purchase prices up. You can look up, if you got PropStream, you can look up the refinances. You can look up all this stuff. And so this is what makes this fun. And so follow along here. Purchase price. I bought this home for 50 grand. All right, this duplex for 50 grand. I had to give the seller, I got seller financing at 0% interest. That's amazing. I'd love to do 1 million of those. So that got me, I gave him 5 grand down. That left a final mortgage of $45,000 per month that I had with him. Here's what's even cooler. The payment I had with him was just $500 a month. Principal only. So that's really cool. So every month I gained $500 in equity on this deal. My repairs, I had to put a little bit, just over $25,000 in this. Okay, whoops, that's a lot of zeros, right? So I had to put just over $25,000 in this. Okay, now, once I put the $25,000 into this property rented for $900 per side. They were both 2-1s. So that means I collected $1,800 in rent. Okay, so that's cool. But now let me show you the purpose of this video. So we went and refinanced this home after we did the repairs. Remember, I used Kiavi and Lending One. And so I'll put the promo code here in the link. So refinanced, this property appraised after we did the repairs for 140 grand. So cool, pretty modest appraisal though for an $1,800 rent. So, but that means I get 70% of this. So I can get 70% of that in a refi, which means I had a mortgage of $98,000 and an interest rate of 7%. You guys can follow all of this math too if you have a 10BI calculator, so like a mortgage calculator. That makes my payment $652. Check it out. Here's what matters, okay? For one, we're collecting $1,800 a month, and my monthly payment is $652. So probably after you take into repairs, maintenance, capex, which we made the property pretty nice, but repairs, maintenance, vacancy, all that good stuff, we made about $750 a month off of that. So every month we net $750 a month off this house, okay, that I bought for $5,000 now. But here's the best part, guys, and this is why I want you guys to retain the assets, is because you can do this over and over and over again, not just one time. But check this out. Let's go through the one time. Remember this $98,000 right here? Remember what I paid for it? 50 plus 25, so 75. So I got 98 grand from the bank, and I was in it for 75,000. What is that? I got paid upfront 23 grand and then $750 a month for life. That's creative financing. That's refinancing the right way. So guys, let us know if you have any questions on this. This is how you get wealthy, is as you do these over and over and over. Remember, it all starts like the art of the deal and knowing how to find these, knowing how to structure these, knowing how to do them. So it's just, if you're stuck in the spot that you are today, it's typically a mindset thing. It has nothing, we do these every day. I watch my apprentices do these every day. This is not something that's like, oh, that's a once in a lifetime one. It's not. We're doing them every single week in our groups. I mean, it is just, it's the way this has been done forever. It is the way it will be done forever going forward. You just might not know how to do it yet. So guys, I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please like and subscribe. Please subscribe to the channel. It's how more people can find out what we're doing and the simplicity behind this. And if you want my 8 steps to master creative finance, it will be here in the description. Just click the link. It'll take you to the website. Guys, if you don't know Jesus or real estate, I suggest you get to know both.